Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Josh application. Josh is India's own short video maker application. It is a great stage to show your talent to the world and follow your favorite entertainer for good and entertaining videos. If you'd like to log into Josh application, then first make sure you've downloaded the application on your device, and once you have, tap open the application from your app drawer. Once you open the application, you'll end up in the home page of Josh. Now, in order to go ahead and log into your account, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the human icon. You can go ahead and log in using your phone number, your Google account, or with your Facebook account. You can choose any one of them. Let me go ahead and tap on Continue with Phone Number option at the top. Now, type in your phone number in the text box and you'll receive an OTP number on your mobile device. Tap on Send OTP and wait for the OTP to arrive on your phone. Once the OTP arrives, type it in the text boxes, and soon after you do that, you'll be logged into Josh. To go to your profile, tap on the human icon at the bottom right, and this is your Josh account's profile. Start by creating a new post by tapping on the Create Post button, and you can pick a song and start creating your content on Josh. That is how you can easily log into your Josh application. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.